Camp like this is an opportunity for dads to get together and just take time out of their busy lifestyles to connect with their kids and connect with other dads and just pause to remember what really matters in life.
The vibe on the camp is great. It's really comfortable.
We've arrived here and we can just be amongst other dads and other kids, and we can play but be together without any distractions.
We use it as an opportunity to let the guard down and just be ourselves. It creates wonderful opportunities where they can see something in their kids, or they can see something in themselves, or see something in the person next to them, which can be profoundly transformative.
I think that we've gotten closer because we've been bonding together.
The kids are just beaming the whole time they're here. Everything's fun from beginning to end. The adults get to have one-on-one time with each other and learn about how other adults are dealing with their relationships with their children.
There's so much busyness and there's so many sort of opportunities to distract ourselves. There's something about giving ourselves that gift of time and being able to have this undivided attention between a father and son.
Because I was on the camp, it made me feel a lot more different. We got more of a connection.
The warmth and the communication and the camaraderie that was just around the campfire enhances the whole experience.
The stuff that sticks with me is the moments where you see a kid's eyes light up, or it's the first time that they've ever seen their dad just be completely honest and open and vulnerable, or the first time they've learnt something about what their dad was like when they were a kid, or the first time that they really feel seen.
There was a big change within myself and how I was parenting.
For me, it was about learning how to be a better dad. What I've worked on is actually talking to my son, not just him talking and me going, yep, but actually looking at him and engaging him. I see his spirit soar just by doing that.
I realised that there's a lot more that I can do as a father. I needed to be more aware of my actions instead of just reacting. It was really powerful to realise that I had a job to do beyond just going to work and earning the money, and somehow if you can get some awareness, you can do things differently.
It's now that we need to be building the foundation for when our kids go through their teenage years.
The value is increased bond between my son and I. So I'd say to anybody who's thinking about coming to one of these camps, to just come along. The benefits are so great.
Well, if I had to tell my mum one thing, I would say it is brilliant.
It's building that little community of mentors for my son.
That community that they created does the work for them. They realise that they don't have to be perfect. They don't have to have all the answers. What they do have to have is greater connection with the people in their lives.